It's here. God damn. All right, guys. Review new RUPES battery powered. Check it out. What's in here? Oh man, dude, this is crazy. Overall, look at the box, dude. The setup is crazy. Let's do everything else. So it comes with a lot of stuff. So it comes with a charger, batteries, DA coarse, DA fine. I already got some right here. And it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pads and a plush microfiber. Let's get this. Let's see, check this out first. Oh man, this is dope. I'm not gonna use it, but look at that. Stamp. Dude, it's a dope towel. Waffle weave. I wonder who made this. It's probably Korean microfiber. That's dope. I'm actually, man, fuck it, I'm gonna use it. Let's check it out. Okay, so then we have wool polishing pad or a cutting pad. It's really just dope, man. Really high end. We got regular DA coarse microfiber. Oh no, this is wool too. We've used this, great pad. We got high performing fine foam, finishing foam pad. These are dope, we use these here. Got the blue high performance cutting, which that's what I'm gonna test it on because I haven't used that yet. They got 2 of those, 2 of each. All right, let's check the actual tool out. You ready? Let's check it out. Oh man, bro, this is so sick. It's really small. Look. Oh, bro, this is so sick. I don't even want to use it. Pretty nice trigger, or nice powered. Oh, so that's kind of weird. So to get it to ignite or to go, you got to press this down and then push it. And then double push it to lock. That's pretty cool. Just overall, dude, this machine is nice. Look at how thin that is. The backer is really thin. I wonder, carbon fiber, 15 millimeter. Oh, I don't think that's actual carbon fiber. It's just wrapped up, but we'll see. Cool, so right off the bat, the quality of the tool is insane. iBrid technology. They say you can get about 20 minutes of working time for each battery, so we'll just see how, I just want to see how good it cuts. Because obviously you know you gotta have multiple batteries to work. But man, dude, what a dope setup. The box is dope, like definitely didn't hold back. So I'm gonna grab this cutting pad first. This is definitely worth the money. I don't even know what I paid for it, but it was probably like 700. Write in the comments, I don't know, I really wanted it. I just said, yo, my buddy Shad Bugco sent it out to me. I'm gonna do a test though. I'm gonna do 1500 grit sandpaper and then 3000 grit sandpaper. I'm gonna go ahead and use this blue microfiber or foam. Hold on, let's see. Oh, dang, bro. Look at the sound. Oh man, the sound, A+ off of the sound too. Okay, let's go ahead and check, let's grab some soap and water. All right, so I'm just gonna let me wet down this panel real quick and just do a wipe down. Oh man, this is like Merry Christmas right here. I couldn't be more happier. You know, it's the simple things in life. Okay, right off the bat, I'm just gonna sand, just a quick sand on 1500 wet, just to see if this is gonna get it out, how good it's gonna get it out. We'll do 2 spots. So right here, I'm gonna hit 1500, just nothing crazy. Just get the scratches in there. So there we go, 1500 right there. Let's switch, a little bit more water. And then we're gonna do 3000 right here. Let's get those nice and even. See if it shows up on camera. Cool, all right. 2000 grit sandpapers is just acting as some scratches. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab I'm padded up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab, let's just do the fine polish first. Pad up, meaning I'm gonna use a polish first, see how good it cuts, and then I'm gonna go and use a heavier compound. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and plop some compound on here. High performance finishing polish. I did like about five draws. I'll put a little more. People are probably, oh, you're using too much. You're using too much. Hey, I do what I do. Okay, so I'm gonna do 2 passes. So I'm gonna start on this side and move to the 1500 or 3000 right here, 1500 right here. Just 2 passes. I just wanna see how good these pads cut and how good the machine cuts. Just overall force. So flat down, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's 1. I'm gonna ramp it up. So do a couple slow passes. Oh, that'd be like a 5-second pass.
12 seconds later.
Like I said, I padded up, but I compounded down, or using polish. So 1 pass. Got a little bit faster. This is a Dodge paint. Dodge paint is, you know, pretty hard. Okay, you ready? Let's see. Okay, so I did 2 passes on it. Obviously, we know I really do like this McGuire's polish, so let's just check that. Let's take the wipe down. Whoo! So this burned through. Look at that, boy. So this is the 1500. It annihilated 3000. So your average scratch, this is gonna bang out. You can slightly still see a little bit of the scratches from there, but that's only with 2 passes. That's so crazy. All right, let's go 1 more pass over that, and let's see how it goes. I'm not gonna reapplicate, I'm just gonna hit it again. This is with their this is with the blue heavy cutting pad. Okay, so I'm gonna hit this again. I'm gonna go 1, 2, the same thing. So 1, 2. I would just call it like a 5-second pass. Normally I would just grind these out, up and down, mow them down. Okay, dang, dude, that literally annihilated those. You can slightly still see in certain lights. You can see it. No, man. So 2 passes. Blue foam cutting pad. I don't know if it's a foam cutting pad. I would just say this. So this is really, like I said, this is Dodge paint. Dodge Chrysler Mopar paint is really, really hard. So typically you always want to go a little bit higher up on pad and then just polish down. Meaning you want to use least aggressive polish, just pad up. Man, dude, the machine freaking this thing goes. And like I said, I'm not using a ton of force. It doesn't really bog down. Let's go again. I'm just gonna go ahead overall, just polish this panel and just see how it goes. I can see this is like a good tool to have at home, especially if you're not working all day. But I can easily get top-notch results with this. Like, it's not bogging down. Like, there's a lot of force. Like, I'm literally pushing on it as hard as I can push to try to get it to stall out. No stall. Pushing on as hard as I can. It's still rotating. It's not stalling out. I wouldn't do this on any paint, but like I deal with Chrysler paint, it's hard. It's probably a combination of pad, but the machine just not stalling out. Let's try to get it to stall out. Let's see, I'm trying to push it as hard as I can to get it to stall out. Like literally no stalling. There's complete rotation in this. Obviously it's easy my favorite paint to probably correct is Mopar paint, because you can just wail on it. Whatever they're doing in their paint at Dodge and Chrysler in their clear coat. It's my favorite clear to work with. Just because for as hard as it is. You can generally, most Mopar paints, 1 step with a microfiber in a polish. Man, dude, it's not stalling out. All right off the bat, everything about it, it's a great tool. The way it looks, performance is great. The only thing I have questioned is the working time. Like how long am I gonna be able to do a full car with this? You know, it has enough pads, you can cycle through pads, cycle through batteries. It comes with 2 batteries. But really, man, dude, I'm gonna put this to work on it for the rest of the week. You know, I probably worked on it for about 10 minutes, it's still full. Battery's still full. I just want it to stall out. That's the main thing too. I just want to get it to stall out. And it's not gonna stall out, dude. That's so much pressure. I don't recommend that. You're gonna get panels hot. But I would say fine works really cool. So you kind of don't worry about getting too hot. God damn, bro. Hey, this is a definite pickup. Kind of pricey, but comes with everything. So if you're a DIY guy, you just want something to get at home and you want the best, I would say right now, at least just for the first time using it, it's my favorite tool. Buy one, or don't buy one. What's up, man? You already know, Jamie Born Detailer out here, full effect. Please like and subscribe. Let me know if I'm doing good. Like, run your mouth. I want to know what I can do better. Peace.